And so I got some grade 5 stainless steel bolts and hardware. That's what the box store bin said. So if they are, they are. If not, who knows? And I'm going to struggle right now to try to find the other holes to line this up. And again, I'm not sure if there's still pieces of the old bolts still inside. I couldn't find any pieces when I quickly looked. Again, it might have just been thrown out with the rest of the snow, or I might have pushed it. Gravel driveways, this is a risk. And the Toro owner's manual doesn't show to have like a shear bolt in here. So I just go with a grade 5, kind of middle of the road. You don't want it to shear off, when you're trying to push the wet, heavy snow, or if you're having to push a lot of snow. Not push, throw. A lot of snow, you don't want a weak bolt in there to shear off just at any piece. This is what was left in there. As you can see, one side was pretty much gone. That side just probably sheared off when that side broke off. Just because, see right there, it's pretty shiny for at least 50% of it. I use the stop nut. These are 1/4 inch by 20 thread with the shoulder, I think is what some people call it, on there. I just matched it up as far as size with the shear bolts, figuring it would be long enough to fit through everything, copying the length of the shear bolts. And I use a stop nut. I just use it and check it every year, make sure it doesn't back off, instead of using a traditional nut and lock washer. I mean, this is getting everything thrown at it, from ice chunks, half-eaten sandwiches. I've gone over phone books and shredded those. So I just want something that's going to work, but also shear in the case of hitting something really hard and not breaking the auger gearbox or breaking the engine if the energy is enough to transfer through the pulleys and up into the engine.